Hello, in front of me I have OPPO A9 and I'm gonna show you how to change the date and time settings on this device. First, let's open the settings, and to do that let's just tap this icon right here. Once in settings, let's scroll down and select additional settings and then select date and time. In here you need to turn off the automatically set date and time, and now you can tap on set time to change the date and time accordingly to your preferences. For example, you can change days right here by just swiping up and down. Here you can change hour and minutes right here. You can also change the time zone right above, so let's tap on it, and here let's select one, for example Athens. You can also turn on and off the 24-hour format on the tab right here by just clicking the slider next to it to change it to 12-hour or 24-hour according to your preferences. On the bottom we have options like home screen word clock widget, and you can turn it on and off, and you can also turn off the dual clock or turn it on. And that should be all. Thank you for watching, and if you found this video helpful, remember to subscribe to our channel and leave the like on the video.